Hello there, I'm Santiago. Let's learn how to configure and print our master plan while we learn 3D printing for complete beginners. Let's do this. Okay, first of all, we need to have our Bambu Studio open, and then we click here to add our final STL. We can see at first that we have a lot of boxes that are even outside the plate. So we need first to break the objects. To do this, we select this and we click on the button that split two objects. Then we can see that even if we click here at the objects tab, we can see that everything is in a list, even it's separated between what is inside the plate and outside. We can select it and we can see there are different elements of each one. Now, we can do this by taking and organizing one by one, but the software also has a easy and beautiful way to do it. We just click here in Arrange All Objects. You just have to click in Arrange and everything will be arranged in the center. That is the most feasible way for a 3D printer to print. Now let's slice it and check how much time it's going to take us to do the press. Well, we can see this 3 hours and 11 minutes. It's a lot of time. And sometimes we don't have that time. We need to print something fast, easy, and simple. So we're going to do some configurations to make it easier. First of all, we're going to prepare again to process and to strength. Then in strength, we go to sparse infill, we change it to 0. Let's slice it again, and we can see 2 hours and 3 minutes. We have taken 1 hour of our prints. And if we think about it, we don't really need the infill because we are not supporting anything tough to the structure. Let's make it a little bit easier. So we go again to process, then to strength, and then we change the wall loops to 1. Let's see how much does it take. 1 hour 42 minutes, more time that we have saved in the print. And we don't need so much wall loops. With 1 can work as well. Let's take off the bottom. So we go again to process and then to strength. And then in the bottom layers, we set 0, the bottom shell layers, and also the bottom shell thickness 0. And then we slice it again. 1 hour and 16 minutes. Oof, we have saved a lot of time. So this is going to be really easy to print, but we have already learned that this can be a problem in the print. So let's add a break. So we go to, or again to process, then others, and we add a brim type, auto brim only, and 3 millimeters. I think it's fine. And slice. Perfect. We have solved at least that the boxes aren't taken away from the plate. Let's have another trick to take more time, to save more time. We can verify here that we have a lot of top layers. We don't need so much top layers. More when you have thin walls, it's better to have everything the same for appearance. So we go to process, strength, and in the top, we say that we want just 1 layer and the thickness to 0. Then we slice it and has only be 52 minutes and 23 seconds is a lot of time we have saved. It's the third of the part that at first was estimated. Let's print it. We click on print plate. I will put the time lapse on so we can see the progress, and the auto bed labeling I recommend you all the time to do it. And we will send it. Here you can see the time lapse of our master plan and see how did it went. They are simple boxes, but we can see that they have saved us a lot of time and they have achieved its purpose. So that was it. We have configured and 3D printed our master plan. I will see you on the next video.